What's happening, Fire Freaks? This is K.J.Inferno coming at you with Throwback Thursdays. Now, what I would like to try to do is that on Thursdays, Throwback Thursdays obviously, I would like to play classic games. And what better way to start this off than with Shadow of the Colossus. This is an amazing game. It came out back in 2005. I'm going to try, when it comes to my new Throwback Thursdays, I'm going to try excuse me, I'm going to try to play games that are from 2006 and older. And so, obviously, this is going to be a longer Let's Play. So, so obviously there's going to be far more parts. The episodes themselves are going to be longer. And so you might see less gameplay from other games. Now, unfortunately, in recording this particular session, the audio from my voice unfortunately got corrupted, so for the first time, you will most likely be seeing gameplay of mine without my voice. The only reason you're hearing it now is because I've just decided to kind of let you guys know exactly what's going on, while I'm editing it. And so, unfortunately, like I said, it got corrupted, so now my voice is not going to be in there at all. However, that's not going to take away from the fact that I cannot believe I managed to get my hands on this game. I played this game once when it first came out, and I fell in love with it back then. I haven't seen it since, and then a buddy of mine told me that it was available on the PlayStation Store. Of course, I had to go out and download that as soon as I got home from work. I had goosebumps playing it. It was just playing this game. It was just like going down memory lane. It was just amazing. So, like I said, this is going to be, for the most part, a voiceless playthrough. And so, yeah, you guys just sit tight and enjoy the content, and I'll be back with you at the end of the video. All right, take it easy, guys.
Was Yuhik Aurel Yetorol Ikudu Ibikuka Yulzol Ionbu Yulilo Cock I Yuzi Yulakol Doloya Olik Olazulam Cos Ilzozeriku Atzoko Amnos Crudo Laomism Wop was you at the last also. View houses is good. Equal Kizado you Lola. Islis was I Aumiz Quick. You are la quicker.
Alula Ostu Hailwa Wuku Aikwa Ujiku Yazu Tsudoko Was Nordekyo Utiura
I will you is solely you.
Izukyumuku Idus Orodoyu Iweriko It's not ours amusement. Alu Tiklik if the least to is
Also is all you know. Ever all is all our You echoes you. Edwin no cool.
Uranora Oil I'll bet
I was beautiful war. No sunken kiss, no quarrels. Honors around. I will control. Ale was not you were and you were
You do You bet Sanada
I ordered was no suit. Oh, you will high answer. Was you beer Oriku Jula Ukira Jula No suit, you I'll do
Oram
You are the widow, you will yell. Oil, our ship kid.
Ora You do new
What's happening, Fire Fruits? K.J.Inferno here. I really hope you guys enjoyed that gameplay, even though without my lack of smart remarks, commentating, and basically screaming and cussing and panicking all the time. Again, I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Nick, I'm going to try to fix my audio so that hopefully next time it will not corrupt, and that and so yeah, I cannot tell you guys, in fact, how much I loved playing this game again after 10 years. The fact that I finally get to play this game again is just it's like it's basically almost like my childhood again. It really is. And so like I said, there's gonna be like I said before, there's gonna be no, actually I don't think I said this before, but to my knowledge, there's 16 Colossi in this game, so my playthrough of this is going to be at a minimum of 16 parts. So I really hope you guys want to join me in my brand new classic crazy Throwback Thursday adventures. So with all that being said, thank you all so much for watching. If you like what you saw, feel free to hit that like button. If you want to see more in the future, feel free to hit that subscribe button. Thanks again so much for watching, and until next time, you all stay awesome, and I'll catch you on the next one.